What you doing? Mommy's making a video of you. Of you, that's right. Are you eating a snack today? What's Henry eating? His fingers. Are you eating your fingers? Yes, you are. Ooh, and there's toys right there. How do those fingers taste? How do they taste? Pretty good? And how does William's snack taste? Is it yummy? Back to baby. What's that one? Is that a good one? Yeah. What does Henry think? Oh. You have a lot to say. Which one are you eating now? That one? That's a fun trail mix, huh?